Well, hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having. And we are having high impact news at 6 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at both of these timing because it could be high spread and high volatile timings. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the highs of the previous monthly high. So currently the bias is bearish according to the monthly levels. So let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart, and the weekly is respecting the monthly levels, and it is also sweeping the highs of the previous highs and moving into the downward direction. But currently we are not having a clear bias according to the weekly levels. So let's move to the dailies for the bias. Now this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that the price had swept the low, and not only that, but price has also swept the previous low, that is the low of this candle. So most likely we are going to take this daily's high. This could be a probability. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So now this is the 4 hour, and we can see a similar scenario that this is a weak high according to the daily, and this is then an FVG, I mean IFVG, which is left by the market. So I'm anticipating the price to at least mitigate this FVG. And currently we are into the sideways, but what we have here to notice is that the price is sweeping the lows. So currently, let's see if we are going to have a valid low over here or not. So let's move to the 1 hours. This is the 1 hour chart, and what we can see is that the price is having FVG here, and it is sweeping the highs, that is this high, and not only that, but the candle's high too. So this is a sign of a bearish orders in the market. So most likely if we are going to sweep the Asia high, we are going to mitigate this, and if we are not going to respect that, the journey will be continued into the downward direction. Else, if the price is going to mitigate this FVG and respect it, most likely we are going to continue our journey till this 4-hour FVG. Sorry about that. This 4-hour FVG. So the bias is still not clear, but we are having an idea that Asia high sweep can be a possible scenario. So let's move to the 30 minutes. So now this is the 30-minute chart, and what we have here is that the 30-minute is also having an FVG. So if we are going to respond from the Asia high, mitigate this FVG and respect this low, most likely, and not only that, the low respect will not be valid till this FVG is respected into the market, and we are going to move into the upside direction. Then our journey could end to this high. Else, if we are going to disrespect it, this level which was into the higher time frame and also having a confluence in 30 minutes will be a level where we can see a possible reaction. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a detailed picture. So yeah, this is the 15-minute chart, and I'm anticipating the price to at least take the Asia high, sweep it, and then move into the downward direction, mitigate this FVG or an order block over here, and then move into the upside direction. Else, if we are going to disrespect this FVG, we are going to mitigate this higher time frame FVG, and we can see a possible reaction into the either direction. And the most possible reaction I'm anticipating is bullish right now. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.